Hello everyone, so yeah, we would like to share the work that we just finished in the Toyota Corolla 2014, which you can see it generation 2014 and 2016. So yep, with the faulty head in it, from the factory before, we remove and we fit now is the 10-inch touchscreen standard package that including Wi-Fi, internet, GPS, Snap built-in, Bluetooth built-in, phone call and Bluetooth music, and 2 USB port, internal hard disks, about 32 GB storage, and dual microphone system. And also we fit in with the system that remaining the factory connect and remaining the factory button all over here, 4 button here, 5 button here, 2 other button and 3 other buttons. So in total 8 steering wheel button works well on the new system. And also we fit and remain the factory reverse camera as well into the new system. And the last thing we want to mention is we fit in the 2 new USB live factory fit over here. So yeah, it can be plugged in for USB data, music or video. And now just have a look. When we reverse, the factory camera will quickly show up on the screen, and it is the factory camera. That's make it simple. Work on the new 10-inch touchscreen. Brilliant and beautiful as we want and as we need. So far, yep, that's exactly what we want. And standard package, full size touchscreen, 10-inch. So thanks again for watching, and if you want to know some other related video about this car, how to remove and tip and tricks, fit it in, just look at other video we have in the channel. Thanks again, see you then.